everyone, this is Aishwarya Rath. Today I am going to create this brown goddess makeup look to match this outfit. So I hope you like it and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy now. Thank you.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, hold tight.
So first I am going to use the sellotape trick from the end of my eye to the end of my eyebrows.
Hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Now I am using Nykaa eyeshadow brush with a nude shade eyeshadow to contour and give some depth to my eye. Now I am using a cool tone light purplish shade with the help of PAC 212 brush to create a shadow on both of my creases. Now I am using a light brown shade at the end of my crease with the same PAC brush.
Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'll surrender it. Hold tight, hold tight.
Now I am using the dark brown and the black eyeshadow with an angled eyeshadow brush to create a cut crease.
Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Now the cut crease is done. So now I am using some golden metallic eyeshadows on my lid area. Then I have applied light brown and dark brown matte eyeshadows on my lower lid to create a beautiful effect.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you.
Then I have applied in color gel eyeliner to create a dramatic effect with a pen brush.
tight. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies.
Now I'm using Blue Heaven mascara on my lashes.
Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
Then I have darkened the tail of my eyebrows with an eyebrow pencil. Then I set it with a black eyeshadow powder. Then I have highlighted both the down and upper part of my eyebrows with a cream concealer and a small flat concealer brush. My base makeup is exactly same that I did it in the last video. Now I am using the darkest brown shade matte lipstick to complete the brown goddess makeup look.
Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move.
Now the brown goddess makeup look is done. I really hope you like it. And if you are watching till the end, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching the entire video. Bye.